In this video, we are going to talk about how AI can make you rich. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. 12. Writing freelance copy. This is likely the most obvious way to use generative AI to earn money online, but it's also quite profitable. Currently, ChatGPT and Jasper AI are two excellent AI copywriting tools that are readily available. If given the right stimulus, these AI models can function as copywriters, enabling you to produce text more rapidly and effectively. You can produce 10 times as much work and be 10 times more productive as a result, which will enable you to produce a lot more content than you otherwise could. 11. Freelance coding. ChatGPT can offer effective coding solutions and automate time-consuming tasks by using natural language processing. As it can hasten the learning process, this could be incredibly helpful for beginning programmers. ChatGPT allows programmers to generate code more quickly and effectively than they could by doing the same arduous activities for hours on end. Additionally, ChatGPT might alter the responsibilities of entry-level positions. ChatGPT could provide coders more time to work on higher-level projects by automating coding solutions. ChatGPT may be a useful tool for people wishing to earn money through coding and is likely to upend the entire industry. 10. Web design. AI may be the ideal tool if you're wanting to generate money with web design. You may get a ton of creative inspiration from AI-generated web design layouts and concepts. As you can see in the video below, AI may also be used to automate some of the most time-consuming steps in web design, such making wireframes and prototypes. With the help of AI automation, you can quickly create a landing page for your website by giving us ideas for layouts and designs. AI may also serve as inspiration for UI/UX design, assisting us in building a website that is more logical and user-friendly. In conclusion, AI has the potential to be a terrific tool for site designers trying to earn money online. 9. Kindle Direct Publishing. Then, you can use ChatGPT to create original short story titles and develop them into full stories. Once you've finished writing your short story, you can design the interior and cover and use a plagiarism detector to make sure the text is entirely unique before publishing it to Amazon KDP. For authors hoping to profit from KDP, AI can be a useful tool because it allows them to produce material rapidly and save time. 8. Video creation. AI is a useful tool if you want to monetize your video creation. To speed up editing, AI tools like Pictory, Runway ML, and Murf can be employed. For instance, Pictory can be used to quickly produce interesting videos in a very short amount of time by turning text into videos. Videos can be edited and improved with Runway ML to give them a polished appearance. A few of the most time-consuming video editing operations, like color correction and audio mixing, can be automated with AI. 7. Texty app. Artificial intelligence is used by Texty app to enhance your search results. It removes the element of chance from finding information by instantly replying to your queries as you search. As soon as you enter your keyword or search phrase, Texty app will start exploring for articles and websites that are pertinent to your search. How long a brief summary of each is will depend on your responses. Starting with the best response is a smart idea. When using Texty app to browse the internet, it is essential for quickly finding information. The website features a user-friendly interface and is easy to navigate. You won't have to waste time looking through many of websites. We can cut out useless pages and save you hours of work. 6. Poised. It's a smart idea to use Poised to improve your public speaking skills. Your speech will come across as assertive, certain, and clear, which will increase your persuasiveness and success. The benefit of having audio recordings is that you can hear where certain words or sentences could be enhanced. The movies both show how to improve your delivery and how various strategies, like body language, can influence it. Positivity will make you speak more persuasively, whether you're in an informal setting or one where business is involved, such as a pitch. 5. Browse AI. Useful AI tools like Browse AI, which are available for free to all users, can be used to gather information from websites, keep tabs on your rivals, and carry out market research. By identifying potential new clients who could be interested in your services, it can also generate leads for your firm. 4. Stock AI. Use the AI-powered Stock AI app to create gorgeous, compelling images. With just one click, text, graphics, and photos can all be merged to create engaging content. Whether you're a business or an individual looking to create gorgeous photographs, Stock AI has a ton of alternatives. Anyone can use the app thanks to its user-friendly design, even those with no prior experience in graphic design. 3. Assembly AI. Assembly AI has the ability to convert real-time audio streams, audio files, and video files to text. In all forms of media, transcripts can be used for closed captions and subtitles. When converting the file, enter the file's name and the location where it should be saved. When that is complete, the tool will begin to work. Transcripts can be previewed beforehand by viewing them on a timeline that is easily accessible. The first limitation is that Assembly AI does not support all file types. The only file types that Assembly AI supports are audio and video files. Additionally, you will need to wait until one file is finished before beginning another. You must wait until the previous file has finished converting before starting the subsequent one. Any film. 2. Murf AI. Using a piece of software called Murf AI, you can give your text a human-sounding voice. This technique can be used to create audiobooks in addition to changing the text voice. Murf AI will handle the rest when you have supplied your text file. On the basis of how you organize your phrases, it develops a new voice that is fairly authentic. Consequently, the audiobook will sound like it was recorded by a person. Using this technology, audiobooks can be created by authors and readers who prefer an immersive reading experience over simply reading text on paper. Murf AI might be your best option if you want to make money off of your expertise. 1. Synthesia. From text, Synthesia creates professional videos. You may create animated GIFs and avatars for your character or subject with this service, which supports more than 60 different languages. To make your videos feel more dynamic and exciting, you can also include music and sound effects. Even though Synthesia is geared towards professionals, anyone can use it to easily create a film. Your material and the AI technologies that will assist you are all that are needed. Synthesia will create animated videos for you that look and sound professional after you upload your file. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.